it out.
Yes.
If we're shorted out, you theoretically could get juiced.
Now I can go between the two wires to check continuity right through the windings of the motor.
And that should work?
That should work.
Oh yeah, that does. The needle goes all the way there. So if that were down, that would indicate a problem too then?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
it would.
All right, so there's two forms of continuity test between the wires to make sure you got continuity between the wires. And the other one is to make sure you're not shorted out.
Now, we can also check a 3-wire pump. We have a control box set up on the wall. We have a blank